Okay, so you want to know if Kraken verifies your identity? Well, let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency and find out. Why does Kraken care about my identity? Think of it this way, when you open a bank account, they don't just take your word for it that you're who you say you are. They want to verify your identity to prevent fraud and money laundering. It's the same idea with cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken. They want to make sure they're dealing with real people and not bots or scammers. What information does Kraken need? To verify your identity, Kraken will typically ask for the following information. Personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Identification documents. You'll need to provide a copy of a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Proof of address. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or credit card statement. How to verify your identity on Kraken. Verifying your identity on Kraken is a simple process. Just follow these steps. Create an account. Go to the Kraken website and click on the Create Account button. Enter your personal information. Fill out the required fields with your name, date of birth, address, and other information. Upload your identification documents. Take clear photos or scans of your government-issued ID and proof of address. Submit your verification. Click on the Submit Verification button. Once you've submitted your verification documents, Kraken will review them and typically approve your account within a few days. Why should you verify your identity? There are several reasons why you should verify your identity on Kraken. Increased security. Verification helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. Higher withdrawal limits. Once you're verified, you'll be able to withdraw larger amounts of cryptocurrency. Access to more features. Verified users have access to a wider range of trading tools and features. So, does Kraken verify identity? Yes, Kraken verifies the identity of all new users. This is a standard procedure for cryptocurrency exchanges and helps to prevent fraud and money laundering. In conclusion, if you're looking to use Kraken to buy or sell cryptocurrency, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a simple process that will help to keep your account safe and secure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.